Ever wondered how to make your Canva website interactive and collect responses directly from visitors? Today, I'll show you how to add a Google form to your Canva website in just a few easy steps. First, head over to Google Forms and open the form you want to embed. Click on the Send button, then choose the Embed option. Copy the HTML code that pops up. This is what will make your form appear on your site. Next, go to your Canva website editor. On the left-hand panel, scroll down to Apps and search for the Embed app. Click on it, and a box will appear where you can paste the code you just copied. If you prefer, you can also paste a direct shareable link instead of the HTML code. Both work perfectly. Once your code or link is in, you can easily resize the form to fit your page layout. Canva makes it simple to adjust the dimensions so your form looks clean and professional. When you're happy with how it looks, just hit publish, and your Google form is now live on your website. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've turned your Canva website into an interactive hub where visitors can fill out forms directly. Embedding forms has never been this simple, and it's a great way to gather feedback, registrations, or survey responses seamlessly.